can identify the rows and columns in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Excel is made up of rows and columns, so identifying them is something very important. So whenever you want to identify the columns first, all the columns are represented with alphabetical letters. So we have like letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on. All these ones which are represented, or which you see that they're having alphabetical letters, are the one we call columns. Then the one which are represented with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all these are what we call the rows. So we can say that uh, whenever you want to select, for example, a column, you come and uh, hover on top of that column, then you press, you see where I'm putting my cursor on top of A. When you click on that, then you see the whole of that column will be selected. A column, it is a vertical line, or it's a vertical representation of data in Microsoft Excel. So I mean, these are vertical lines. As you can see, column A, I have column B, column C, column D, E, F, G, and H. Then row, these are horizontal line, the horizontal data representation. The lines which move are like, horizontally, like you have column 1, I mean row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So all of these ones that are presented with the numbers are what we call the rows. And all these ones which are represented with alphabetical letters are what we call the columns. So should not be mistaken whenever you open Microsoft Excel, and then the first thing you see is that you will have to see this layout, and whenever you see all these alphabetical letters, just know this one represent the columns, and then whenever you see all these numbers starting with 1, and then you know that this one represent the rows. And then after that, then we can go ahead and see what is the use of the rows and what is the use of the columns. Of course, we are going to see in the next video that when a column, which is the horizontal line, meets or intersect with the rows, which is the vertical line, they form what we call a cell. And now a cell is the intersection of a column and a row, and each cell has what we call a name. And this name, of course, we look at the column, and then we also look at the row. So like the name of this cell is going to be C, that is column C, as you can see, column C, and then row 9. So it's going to be C9. So that's going to be the name of this cell, because it is the intersection of column C and row 9. So we're going to see further about that in the next video. Thank you very much.